Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change your payout schedule to weekly on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say you want to start getting paid weekly on every Tuesday from eBay. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's first hop onto our eBay app. Once you have your eBay app opened, on the bottom right hand corner you want to click on selling, and then as you can see here we have underneath payments, it says your total funds, $4.18. You want to click on your total funds. Afterwards, you want to click on payout schedule daily. And then this is a really important step, guys. This is where you're going to change your payout schedule. Click out payout schedule. And then on this page here, you want to click on weekly. Afterwards, click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your payout schedule to weekly on Tuesdays. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.